Hello my friends, are you all ready for 10 minutes, no equipment, no jumping, cardio? I promised you the next 10 minutes are going to be so hard, but you have to promise to me that with every move you're going to push yourself harder, that you are going to try to move faster, challenge yourself with every move. Cardio is all about speed and repetitions, and it doesn't have to involve jumping, and you will see why towards the end of this routine. Hope you all have fun with this, so let's get going.
There was a time when you had me falling to the ground, like a king without a crown. Whoa. Why you make it hard? Don't let me down. You might as well be lost, but I'm found. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on, and I deserve to stay, and I'll find my way. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. I wanna be with you always. Know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. In the dark we fight. You take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you're glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life dressed in another season. Not for them, just a time. Dressed in another season. You came into my life dressed in another season. Not for them, just a time. Dressed in another season. just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just like time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just like time, just like another season. Till you come my way this season.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always
Thank you for joining me today. Stay fit and always prioritize your well being. Until next time.